Hello traders, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I will be speaking specifically on descending and ascending channel, which are very powerful reversal corrections. This is a follow-up on the previous video where which I posted, where I spoke on the different types of correction we have. Just to give us a quick recap, I did mention that the market can only have two types of corrections. Okay, and again, the market only moves in two ways. The market can only either be impulsing or be correcting. Okay, and after the correction, we have an impulse. And I mentioned that this correction can only be two. It can only be a continuation correction, like this one, because you see impulse after the correction, price continue to the downside, and or it can only be a reversal correction, like so. Notice the correction are different. From this move, we have a reversal. So this is a continuation correction, and this is a reversal correction. This particular reversal correction is a descending channel, which is this, and it's what we will be focusing on today. Okay, awesome. Let me quickly take this out. Okay, descending channels and ascending channel. When you see this happening, this already gives you a clue beforehand where the market could be heading next. Again, it is a reversal correction. Let's take the case of a descending channel. Price moving in a channel, coming down. Okay, we can anticipate that once the correction is over, we'll be expecting price to reverse to a bullish move. So we have strategies in place that we can take advantage here, and even once price breaks out of it, the correction. Okay, and the case of an ascending channel, price will be moving all the way up, as you can see. Then we anticipate that in future we are anticipating a reversal from this bullish move to a bearish move. Again, we have strategies in place that we have which we can take advantage of. Price here, advantage here, and also here, holding it all the way to this low here. Okay, and also if you combine it with other price action confluence, a good example is value or volume, then it even makes your analysis even stronger. I will be showing you some real illustration on the chart. Okay, matter of fact, let's move to USD JPY. Okay, let's move to USD JPY. Okay, awesome. There we go. Let's take this out quickly. Okay, let's take this out quickly too as well. Okay, what do we have here? We have a descending channel. We have a descending channel. Notice price was moving all the way down. Here, price was moving all the way down. Then when price reached here, what happened? It started moving in a corrective manner, in a channel, going down. Okay, this is already a clue that price is preparing to reverse from a bearish move to a bullish move. All I wanted to see was price to break out of the correction, which is what happened here. And once price break out of correction, what happened? It caused price to completely reverse from this bearish move to a bullish move. Okay, and it is exactly what happened. Let's proceed. Again, what happened here? This is a descending channel. This is a descending channel. Once you see this happening, you can already kind of predict that, okay, I'll be expecting price to reverse. And what happened here is exactly what happened. It happens on every financial market, be it currencies, be it crypto, be it stock, be it futures, name it. It happens over and over again. And of course, we have other reversals corrections. Reversal corrections like triangles, ascending and descending wedge. I think rising wedge and falling wedge, descending triangle and ascending triangle. We have different types of reversal corrections. Okay, but the descending channel and the ascending channel, they happen more frequently compared to the other reversal corrections. So that's why we are focusing on this one, because you will see them happening over and over again, be it on stock, be it on crypto, be it on the currencies, be it on the indices, name it. It happens over and frequently again. Okay, in this case here, what do we have? We have a market pushing all the way up. After an impulse, we are expecting a correction. Either we get a continuation correction or we get a reversal correction. In this case, it's a reversal correction because price start moving all the way up. Notice that collectively in a channel. And I did mention that when you combine it with other price action, it even makes it stronger. Okay, let me see an example here. When price pushed up and came down here, we did not have a continuation from this. We didn't have a higher high. What happened? Price stopped here, giving us an equal high, and the price reversed, broken out of this reversal correction. What happened? It pushed price all the way down. So if you want to check the confluence, we have an ascending channel, which is 1 confluence. We have a double top, which is 2. We have a price moving in a structure on its own is a confluence, which is 3. And notice we have an M pattern. Notice this is an M pattern. Notice that, an M pattern. And once price broke outside, it caused all the market. So all the confluence, 4 in total, weighs even heavier, giving you an indication that price, okay, will most likely be reversing. And it is exactly what happened after all those 4 confluence combined. So when you combine it with other confluence, it makes your analysis even stronger. Okay, what I'm showing you is very powerful, guys. So if you are interested to know more, you can hit the Telegram channel on my channel below, and if any question or mentorship program, you can contact me and we will take it from there. Okay, so let's proceed. Again, what happened? Price push up and came back down. And what do we notice? We notice price again moving in a structural manner, giving us a channel. Again, price push up. What do we see again? Ascending channel. Again, what do we notice? Notice price push up here, came back down and failed to break this high. What are we seeing? We are seeing a small M. And then what happened? It completely reversed price down, and it caused this move all the way up to reverse, from a bullish move to a bearish move. So if you want to count the confluence, we have an ascending channel, which is 1. Structure again itself moving in a channel, which is 2. The small M pattern in the ascending channel, which is 3. Again, what do we see? If you notice, this is another bigger M. Again, notice this bigger M, this one and this. What happened again? All combining, or I think about 4 to 5 confluence, all saying the same thing. And what happened? Notice price moving down aggressively to the downside. Okay, so combining it with other price action makes it even more stronger. What I'm showing here is very powerful, guys. Trust me, it's very powerful. Okay, let's move to gold. Okay, let's move to gold. Okay, awesome. Okay, excellent. Let me quickly take this out. You see, it happens over and over again on every financial market. Over and over again, and it is very powerful. This is gold. Okay, notice gold moving down in a channel, in a descending channel. Structurally, as you can see, we sell and buy, but already we anticipate that at some point we will be expecting price to reverse all the way up. And again, one caveat: the longer the descending channel or the ascending channel, then once price break out, expect a longer move also. Okay, in this case, this channel is very long. It's a very long descending channel. And what happened? Notice price came down. It failed to give us a lower low. Again, it gave us what? A W, which is the opposite of an M pattern. So in this case, a double bottom. Again, we have a double bottom here. We have an even bigger double bottom here, which is this and this. So descending channel 1, structure 2, a big W 3 and even a smaller W 4. And once price broke out, what happened? Notice we had a longer move all the way up. Okay, notice that longer move all the way up. We have an impulse. So this is more of a correction. I wouldn't classify this as a descending channel. This is more of an impulse followed by a correction. That's why we had this continuation to the upside. Okay, so I wouldn't classify this as a descending channel for a reversal, because after this descending channel we had price pushing all the way up impulsively. After the impulse we have a correction. Remember, on my previous video I said the market only moved in two ways. We have a continuation correction and a reversal correction. So in this case here, this is a reversal correction, and after the reversal correction we have an impulse followed by a continuation correction, and after which we had a continuation to the upside again here. But we are not speaking on continuations, we are talking of reversal correction. So let's move. I think that's all for now. Let's move to Nasdaq. Okay, awesome. Let's go to Nasdaq. This is very powerful, very powerful, especially when you combine it with other as mentioned before, with other price action. It makes it even more stronger, very strong. Okay, I think yes. Okay, notice, you guys notice price after moving down here, what do we have? Again, it start moving structurally in a channel. As you can see, we have our channel, price moving all the way up and down. Then once price push up here, it came down, it failed to give us a new high, by so doing giving us an equal high or a lower high. Okay, and once that happened, it caused price to sorry about this, it caused price to reverse. It caused price to reverse. And if you want notice, we have what? A double top here. Again, ascending channel, price moving up in a structural manner. What do we have? An M pattern, which is also a double top. So M pattern 1, double top 2, ascending channel 3, and price moving in a structure which on its own is a confluence 4. So we have 4 confluence, or confirming that price will be reversing, and it is exactly what happened. Okay, again, what happened when the price push up, it started moving again in a channel again, which is a reversal correction. Once it reach again, notice this, what do we have here? Price pushing up, we have a double top, a bigger double top here, 1, ascending channel 2, and a bigger what? M pattern here. Notice that? That's why we had this move breaking out of this correction, which on this breaking out of this reversal correction. Though it didn't commit, but at least it did break out of it. Okay, let me take this out. Let me not okay. Again, what happened? Price push up, moving in the correction, ascending channel. Again, what happened? It broke out of the channel, reversing price completely from this bullish move to a bearish move. Again, what do you see? Ascending channel 1, price moving in a structure 2. What do we have? Again, an M pattern here, as you can see, 3, and boom, there we go. Okay, so double top 1, ascending channel 2, M pattern 3. Okay, let's continue. Okay, this was in 2020. This was during the period, this was the COVID, and before the COVID happened, price already told us that we will be having, or in the future we will be having, a reversal, and it so happened that the reversal was during the COVID. Okay, because as you can see from structure, from the price action, price was moving up in a structural manner in a channel. As you can see, what happened? price moving in a channel, at some point we had what? We also have a smaller channel inside of this big channel, which is a structure within a structure, which is very powerful, guys. Once you see a structure within a bigger structure, it is a very powerful science. Okay, and after that, what happened? It caused price to reverse all the way down from this bullish move to a bearish move. And it so happened that it was the COVID, because during that time every financial market crashed. We had the crash of every financial market, be it gold, be it currencies, be it crypto. We had the massive crash from the financial market. And before that, those who trade price action patterns and structure like myself, we already saw that we'll be expecting because of the length of the ascending channel, we'll also be expecting a long breakout, a long correction, reversals, and this is exactly what happened. Okay, I think that will be all. Okay, now we have this again. When price reach here, what happened? Again, channel moving correctively in a channel, which is an ascending channel. And inside of the ascending channel, what do we have? We also have a smaller ascending channel. Also, what do we have? We have a double top, which is also an M pattern, as you can see. One, and then again, what happened? It caused price to reverse. Though it didn't commit, but at least price did broke outside of the correction of the ascending channel. So we have the M pattern, ascending channel, and double top. Okay, so combining combining the reversal corrections with other price action confluence, it even makes the analysis stronger. Okay, so again, what happened? Price push up, ascending channel, and reverse. So it happens over and over again, guys, over and over again. So I hope this video shed some light. If any question or if you're confused, you can hit on the Telegram channel below and ask any question. And if you are interested in trading this way, again, I do offer a mentorship program, so we can take it from there. After you click on the channel, then we will discuss more further. So yes, guys, I think that will be all for today's video. And thank you for watching. Please like the video, comment, ask any question, and I'll gladly reply. And above all, please do subscribe. Guys, so we can push this channel to many viewers out there. Okay, thank you, and have a nice day.